Hey guys, what's going on? So I'm going to show you how to fix the lock on your wheel grid, whether it's a flatbed or a wrecker. Alright, so if you're missing the insides and you're missing the piece that goes here to lock it, we're going to use this one that's it's new, but it's going to represent the old one. Alright, so this would be the wheel sliding grid, okay? And then this is where everything else goes. So you would get the new one like this. Alright, the first thing you would do is you would want to put your thumb here and push down to alleviate pressure on this. And then twist this off like this. All right, that's gonna release this cap here that twists to go up and pull it out. Then pull this up and you'll get the inside pin out. Okay, so now this old pin, right, this old piece where the pin goes into, you have to check and make sure that the old spring is not in there, because the grease and the gunk will hold it in place. If it's in there, you want to push it out with the screwdriver and use the new setup. All right, so this is the wheel grid, okay? You're gonna have to stick your hand inside the wheel grid, all right, and use this here. You're gonna put the pin in, okay? And you're gonna wanna make sure that the pin, when you put it in, that hole is gonna be sticking out like this, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this piece in here like this, okay? And you're gonna pop it out like this, all right? Now remember, this is on the wheel grid, so just think of it as a wheel grid. And when you put the cover on, you want to match the hole with the hole that's threaded, so it looks like that. All right, then you take this one and you just put it in, wiggle it a little bit to make sure that it goes all the way in. Once you're done and it's hand tight, take the rubber cover off. It slides, just twist it as you're pulling it, it'll pop out. Take a pair of pliers and tighten it like this. Give it like a good, maybe a quarter of a turn, so that it doesn't come out. And then you can put the cover back on, okay? So you want to tighten it, because what happens is, if you don't tighten it and you leave it loose with vibration and stuff, this piece can come off, okay? So, man, I put a hand tight and it's like super tight. Okay, so, all right, it doesn't want to come off. So if you don't tighten it, what's gonna happen is eventually this can come loose, all right? And when it comes loose, the cap will come off, and then everything else will fall out inside and you'll be back to square one. All right, when you do it, it should sit flush, and then you can twist it and then just make sure that it locks when you slide in the grid in. Okay, and then here's the grease fitting. If the old one doesn't have it, it's missing, then you can just take off the new one by twisting it. Don't drop anything like I just did. Don't know where it went. You can transfer it from this one, from the new one, and put it in the old one. Make sure you put the washer back and then tighten it up and then grease it up. If the old one is broken in here, okay, then what you're gonna do is you're gonna drill it out and either push it in or push it out, and then just take it out of the old one. All right, and then when you're done, it should look like that. And that's pretty much it. As always, guys, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and like, share, and subscribe.